examining the link between arginase iota and bronchial asthma. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: asthma is a chronic lung disease that affects 300 million people worldwide. Allergic asthma is a disease of airway inflammation and hyperresponsiveness. Asthma occurs by activating IgE, a receptor that bears mast cells and basophils. And the triggering factor for this is the inhalation of an allergen when it binds to complementary IgE. And this leads to lung infiltration by eosinophils, neutrophils, then activated M2 macrophages. And Eth2 lymphocytes, which are inflammatory triggers, and all these increase mucus production, which leads to mucosal edema, smooth muscle hyperresponsiveness, and airway hyperresponsiveness (AHR) due to exposure to e.g. histamine and methacholine. Objective: the aim of this study was to detect the arginase iota (ARGI) enzyme in asthma patients and clarify its role, in addition to examining the relationship of this enzyme with bronchial asthma. Methods: blood samples were collected from 100 patients from Department of Medicine in Risgiri Hospital in Erbil City, in addition to intact 100 volunteers. The introduced questionnaire was filled out on the basis of type-induced asthma, duration of the disease, age of the patients, gender, family history, and allergy condition. Serum was separated to perform enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay (ELISA) in Medical Research Center to examine the association of ARG with bronchial asthma. By ARG activity, we can measure the conversion of arginine to ornithine and urea. By using a quantitative colorimetric assay at 490 nanometers, employing a Quantichrome arginase assay kit, Bioassay Systems. Our results depicted the association between ARG and bronchial asthma based on their age. Significant elevation of serum arginase level was observed in the patients greater than or equal to 81 years old, with mean value 100.16 plus or minus 19.77, p-value 0.000. Also the duration of asthma greater than or equal to 20 years, 82.48 plus or minus 38.81, p-value 0.01, were remarkably affected. This significance was found in those with types of induced asthma and with allergy condition. However, non-significant difference in the frequency of abnormal serum arginase levels was observed in those patients that have a family history of asthma disease and gender of the patients. This finding demonstrated a remarkable association of ARG iota in the development of asthma at p greater than 0.05. Conclusion: the ELISA results indicated that ARGI and bronchial asthma are remarkably correlated. Patients with asthmatic symptoms have a high level of ARG iota, greater than 40 IUL. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.